Ever had days when things just don't go your way? Tired of dealing with stubborn stains? This is how we usually pre-treat stains. By soaking, scrubbing, and hand washing. With the all-new Stainwand, pre-treating stains has never been easier. Just spray some water, add normal detergent, and pre-treat the stain with the Stainwand. The ultrasonic waves help to loosen the dirt particles from the fabric. All that's left is to wash the pre-treated clothes. Now you can enjoy great-looking and cleaner clothes with less effort anytime. Stainwand from Electrolux.